English conversation practice. With Learn English for Beginners. Hi. Hello. What's your name? My name is Mohammed. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Where are you from? I am from Qatar. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. What is this? This is a paper cutter. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What's the time? It is 9:40 p.m. Where do you live? I live in Qatar. What do you do? I am a teacher. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is black. Can you cook? Yes, I can cook. How do you travel to work? I travel by local train. How many languages do you speak? I speak 4 languages. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.